Welcome to the Pirls Stock Market Commentary video, your weekly window on stock market technical conditions, featuring the proprietary bull bear point and figure market breadth summary chart for October 21st, 2018. Market breadth. With this past week's market decline, our bull bear point and figure ratio at 0.30 fell from 0.35 last week. The total count of securities in bullish or bearish patterns decreased 7% to 3,102. The count of bearish stocks decreased 4%, while the count of stocks in bullish patterns decreased 17%. The Pirls P&F market breadth summary chart shows us a market now 7 weeks in bearish territory. Paid subscribers have access to the OpenOffice Calc data from which the chart is generated. You may become a paid subscriber by visiting s2pmarketsignal.com, clicking Membership, clicking Register, and following the prompts. To receive the weekly Pirls Stock Market Commentary via email free of charge, simply enter your name and your email address in the spaces provided and click Subscribe. The well-known market breadth indicator, the Nasdaq McClellan Summation Index, fell 164 points for the 15th decline in 19 weeks. At a negative 703.08 points, it continues below all 8 tops above plus 100 in the last 30 months, and it continues below all 4 bottoms below minus 100 in the last 30 months. Volume analysis. In this week's volume analysis, the Nasdaq Composite Index ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode, with average daily volume lower than the prior week. In the last 2 weeks, the Nasdaq had 2 accumulation days and 3 distribution days. Accumulation days are counted when the index closes up on higher volume than the prior market day, while distribution days occur when the index closes down on volume higher than the prior market day. Last week also, the Nasdaq ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode on lower average daily volume. Momentum. The CCI 20 daily, now at a negative 85.81, rose from a negative 169.48 last week. Last week at Thursday 10/11 close, the CCI 20 daily had 6 consecutive days below zero for a Woody's trend change to down, but has not yet risen to the plus or minus 50 range required for a valid zero line reject short entry signal. In Woody's CCI trading system, 6 consecutive bars above or below zero are required for a change of trend. The weekly CCI 20 of the Nasdaq Composite Index began a Woody's uptrend 128 weeks ago, while the daily CCI 20 began a Woody's downtrend 1 week ago. The CCI 20 weekly fell to a negative 140.42 from a negative 130.58 last week, continuing below the plus or minus 50 range required for a valid zero line reject long entry signal. Industry rotation the last 2 weeks. 2 of the top 5 industries are positive, and all of the bottom 5 are negative. Summary: gold and silver and REITs on the top, oil and banking on the bottom. Bullish, REITs has entered the top 5. Oil and oil services have entered the bottom 5. Semis, networkers, computer hardware, and disk drives have left the bottom 5. Bearish, gold and silver continues in the top 5. Brokers has left the top 5. KBW Bank has entered the bottom 5. Focus this week from Greg Hunter's USA Watchdog, quote, Trump blaming Fed for next market crash, by Dave Janda, end quotes. The first portion of the video contains powerful insider insights into President Trump's economic strategy, including wresting control of the economic narrative from the Federal Reserve. Dr. Janda says, quote, Trump knew this thing was rigged to blow the economy, the financial system, and when the right time came, he would start pointing the finger at the globalists, the Fed. I believe that's where we are right now." End quotes. Thank you for watching this week's Santu Pirls Stock Market Commentary video featuring the proprietary bull bear point and figure market breadth summary chart compiled by Donald Pearl. www.s2pmarketsignal.com. For Santu Pirls Stock Market Commentary, I'm Cynthia Pearl, hoping that you have been enjoying a peaceful and pleasant weekend, that you're looking forward to a prosperous and productive week coming up, and wishing you true success.